Sometimes you need a really, really bright flashlight. You know, like when someone is trying to steal your outdoor plants at the end of the season. Welcome to the Hippie Geeks. Let's dig into this flashlight review sponsored by ThruNite and their BSS V4. A couple of years ago, we had someone jump our fence and chop down the last two plants of the season that were going to get harvested the next weekend. It was scary, and it angered us, and we decided to make sure that it would never happen again. We implemented several security measures, but I am out there a lot at the end of the season with a flashlight to check on things. When ThruNite reached out to have us check out their tactical flashlight, that exact situation is what jumped into my mind. This is their BSS V4 flashlight, and at the end of the video, we will be showing just how bright this thing can get, which is why I wanted to check it out. First up though, let's get everything out of the box. There is the card that covers the warranty and the instruction sheet in several languages. Once those are out of the way, you get the flashlight itself. It is a good size that fits my hand nicely and comes with the strike bezel on it already. It has several lighting modes, but the ones I will use most are low, medium, and high. Also in the box is a belt holder, a micro USB cable, a bag of extras, the pocket clip, and the red lens cover. Personally, I am taking off the strike bezel because it digs into my leg when I have the flashlight in my pocket. You will also need to remove it if you want to use the red lens cover. The pocket clip goes onto the back end of the light, and looking into the extras bag, you can see that you get a lanyard, a replacement turbo button cover, 2 extra USB covers, and 2 extra O-rings. Let's take this thing outside and see how the light looks here in the backyard at 2 in the morning. With the camera set up, you can see that it is pretty much pitch black out there. Setting it on low gives you the first level of light, which is just enough if you wanted to walk around and not draw too much attention to yourself. At this light level, they say the light will last 55 hours, and I left it on for 2 days straight and it kept going, so that seems about right. Medium is what most folks would find useful as a flashlight when you want to be able to see everything around you, and it is fairly bright. At this level, they say the light will last 4.5 hours, which lined up with our testing as well. High is really, really bright, and this is what I would be using if I needed to surprise someone. The light will only run for about 2 minutes at this level, and the LED gets hot if you use it for more than a solid minute, so this really should only be used when you need that much light. I also shine the light at the camera at different light levels just to give an idea of what it looks like from that direction. I have been using this light for a couple of weeks now, and I honestly have no complaints. It does exactly what I wanted it to do. It is a very reliable flashlight with the ability to spotlight someone if they make the poor decision to get into my yard. If you are looking to pick up one of these super useful flashlights, I will leave Amazon Associates link to it in the description down below.